All right, here we have an elevator at 3633 Camino del Rio South in San Diego, California. This is Riverview Center, so let's ride. Oh boy, it was originally an Otis Lexan. Let's go to 3. Whoa. Going down? Yep. You're welcome. Here you go. Yep, have a good one. Whoa. This thing jolts to a very hard stop. We might just take another ride real quick and see if it does that again. Yeah, let's take another ride real quick. It's too bad. I wish this thing was original. Here we go. Yeah, like over levels with the floor and crashes to a stop. This thing doesn't light up. All right, back to 1 and then that'll be it. These are Adam's designer buttons. And that one button is broken. Yep, you can see the Otis Lexan key switches right there. So that'll be it.